How would a 1 liter buffer solution with a pH of 8.5 be made with 0.0100 mole potassium cyanide and other lab reagents? And then we're given a acid dissociation or acid ionization constant, which is 4.93 times 10 to the negative 10. Again, that's of hydrocyanic acid. So let's go in and write down all of our information. We know that we're asked to figure out how to make a 1 liter buffer solution that has a pH that's equal to 8.5. What other information? We were given the solute. It's 0.0100 mole of potassium cyanide. And we're given the Ka of hydrocyanic acid. It's equal to 4.93 times 10 to the negative 10. Okay. Well, the first thing that I want to do is